He's like a baby.
He's like a dinosaur. He sounds like a dinosaur. Oh my gosh. Like a dinosaur.